Hello friends, welcome back to the channel udaysreview. So in the previous two videos, the first video you must have seen unboxing of COFE device and connecting a SIM to it, and in the second video you must have seen the COFE device connected to the system for internet. Now in this video, let us see the main purpose of this COFE device. Let us connect the COFE device to the DVR and see how it works, whether we are getting internet or not, and other stuffs. So the main purpose of buying this COFE device is just for that. So without wasting time, let us get into the video. This is the place where we have placed the DVR, and there are lots of wires, so kindly ignore here and sorry for the mess. So let us continue. I am recording this video using Osmo Pocket, and due to less light, this Osmo Pocket is little bit grainy and I have increased the ISO of this, so kindly ignore this video. So here I am trying to set up all the things back to the place where we connect the cameras, COFE device, and I also have a set-top box which is connected to this, and I use this as a primary device to see TV in my room. So I'll be connecting everything back here one by one. Now I have connected everything and I have powered on the CP Plus DVR, and we can see the display here. I'll quickly shift the camera to the TV which I am connected, and I'll show you. So here from now we will see the entire stuff of the CCTV camera. I'll also show you the live feed of the cameras here. As you can see, it is turned on right now. So in this video, let us log in, and obviously I'll hide my password here, and we will see the net is connected or not for the main purpose which we got the COFE device. As we are into the main menu, let us quickly shift over to the network palette here, and let us get into the InstaCloud and see whether it is connected or not. Yeah, I can see it is connected, and let us check for the upgrade. So here I have checked for the upgrade. I'll check once again. Yeah, now I can see the upgrade. I'll give upgrade. So here it is telling what is the updates, what are the features added, all those things. I'll quickly upgrade it. So the file is downloading. Remember friends, all these are happening only through the COFE device. So I have not connected any other device. It is a small update of 100 MB, 150 MB. So I just downloading quickly. The speed here I can see is very good. It also depends on the place where you place the COFE device. If you have placed anywhere close by the windows or doors, obviously you know the net speed is there. Or if you're keeping it anywhere inside all those things, the net speed will drop down as the signal won't reach till the device. It is the same thing where in mobile also, if you are in inside place and all, you will not have limited network, all those things. So here we can see the upgrade is success, and it will restart once. So now we have the CP Plus screen. So it will take some time, and again switch off and switch on by itself automatically. Then we will get the proper display screen over there. So here the camera ons, here the DVR ons and gives us the camera screen. Basically we have connected only one camera here, and this is the live footage which you are seeing from the camera. So I have made the video a little fast. so that's why the video is going a little bit fast. I'll also show you the live footage, the recorded footage from it. And now we are seeing the recorded footage which is given out from the camera. So I'll be changing the signal type in the camera. So basically this is a CVI camera, so I thought I'll just see what and all it takes. So I'll be changing all these settings and seeing. So in TVI it is not working, HD also it's not working, so it is just working in CVI. So this is a CVI camera, CVI signal. Now we'll see the motion detection of this camera after connecting to the internet. This also has a motion detection facility, so you'll have to go into the settings, events and motion detection, and select the place where you want to do a motion detection. For quick sample, I'll be just selecting these things, and where it is not necessary, I will uncheck all these stuffs because no one will be walking there or anyone going there. It's a wall. So after checking out all these things, record in channel 1 as I have just one camera here, and tour, and the interval time is 2 seconds. I'll also send email and also upload in the cloud, and also push the alarm and write a log here. So here I'll be keeping the highest sensitivity and press apply. If you want, you can mask out any part of it, and there is a video loss settings and abnormality settings, like when a disk record is full, all those stuff. Select whatever best suits for you and press OK. I'll be just concentrating on the motion detection now and press apply. So here this is a playback settings, and here you can see is the morning 6:30 AM recording. So until the sun comes, until it is daylight, we know it is a black and white camera. Then once you have a proper light, it is a color camera. So here it is a black and white camera. So here you can see the internet which is used for this camera. Say it fluctuates around 1250 kbps and 1030 mbps. So it fluctuates in between those things. So that means the internet is working. So I have also connected this to my mobile, and see, this is the live footage which comes out from there. There will be a slight delay for the network thing. I'll show you the proper video of it in the next video. I'll show you the proper settings and all those things in the next video, and I'll also show you the motion detection which is recorded separately in the next video. So if you like this video, as usual, share it with your friends and families, subscribe to my channel Uday's Review, and do follow us on the social media platforms. The link is given. Thanks. Bye.